Hello everyone. Today we have gotten a EFM project, a video project, where we need to find athlete's name, BIB number, route, and position. So doing that manually would take a lot of time. So we got some quick formulas which would help us to do those quickly. So first we need to do a conditional formatting in the athlete's name. So for that we need to go to data, data validation, and select list, and then we have to select the source. So what would be our source? From the total of the athlete's name. And then we need to click on OK. So after that, you see, we have got a drop down from where we can select any kind of names, all the athletes' names, whichever we want to know about. So after this, we need to do a condition. So previous one was the data validation. After this, we need to do a conditional formatting so that, here we only have 27 people's name or maybe less than that. So whenever we have got more data, so there might be possibilities where we get more data, like more than 10,000. So that finding that one by one would be a, chore. So for that easiness, to find that out easily, we need to do a conditional formatting. So we need to go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. Okay, so before that, we need to select the entire, all the columns and rows. Okay, after that, yes, we need to go to conditional formatting, new rule, and then we'll click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. Here we would select the A4, athlete's first one. And since we need an exact data, so we will be cutting out the $sign. Just a moment. Yes. So from where do we need to find, which value do we need to find? The athletes. We can guess it. So now we need to select the color which we would highlight on, or the name to be highlighted with. And then, so now you see, weekend Jesse is being highlighted. So this helps us to find even within lots of data. So we can select anyone's name. For example, Todd Steven. We are finding that out. This BIB number with 1471 full marathon East Loop, position 5. Now we need the BIB number, route, and position. So there are lots of ways which people find this out, but my personal favorite is with index and matchup. So I would show with that formula, index, bracket. We need to select the array. So we need to select the entire BIB column. Okay, then comma, then match with whom we're gonna match. Then again a bracket. We're gonna match with lookup value. So what's the lookup value that we need to find? That's Todd Steven. Okay. So comma again. And from where do we need to find? That's the lookup array, the entire list of the athlete's name. And then we need to make sure that we find the exact match, or else Excel would give us, different value for the same names. So after this, the formula is completed and we need to click on enter. So here we got the BIB number for Todd Steven. That's 1471. We can match this with here, 1471, 1471. We can find this for any athlete, be it Taylor Hector. So the Taylor Hector is position, BIB number is 122812. Okay, so we'll do the same for route also. Index and array. So we need to select the root array, the entire column, comma, match. Then from where do we need to match? Athlete's name H, that's H4, sorry, H3, and comma again. And from the lookup array, what would be the lookup array? The athlete's names, and then 0 for exact match, then double. So we had find out that route for Taylor Hector is West Loop. We can find this someone from East Loop also. Let's try this out. Taylor Hector. So for example, we find someone from East Loop. Let's see whom we can find. O'Connell, O'Cornaken. It's East Loop. So we are getting the values for root also. Let's do a similar thing for position also. Index. Index, we need to select the array. Where's the index? Index. Oh, no, sorry. We need for position. Position array, comma, match. Then the lookup value. What do we need to find? And then the lookup list, lookup array, that's comma, and then before exact match. So look, here we are getting all the three required numbers, PIB number, root, and position easily with this formula. We can find this for any athlete, be it we can Jesse or anyone from the list. Viewer Kent, that's here, and the number is also highlighted in this list. So I hope this is clear to you all. Thank you.